Hey gang, this is the beginning of our auction. We're actually going to review the lot numbers. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Another group. Another group. And you're going to get a nice preview. There's enough moon in that big box, by the way. What kind of goodies do we have here? Ooh. Nice. And so we're doing America. All right. So here's some more Americana. This is an interesting prototype. Marlboro Farms, hands painted. And then the opposite side is a coast to coast, I believe. Wolverine. Good looking Americana. Great looking tin, Americana. Here's another nice shelf here. We got a battleship hanging out. We have another battleship. The battleship is going to be right around lot 239. We have a race boat, and I know people want to see the race boat. So it's dead stock. Look at that. And it comes with an outboard motor. Gonna have a gorgeous additional battleship bank. And then some great airplane toys. Some Americana. Look at that gorgeous Stevenson Brown. And a real big highlight in my eyes, Ives Old Woman in the Shoe. All right, so be sure to check out our auction. It's going to go on Live Auctioneers. It's going to be AntiqueToys.com in affiliation with Mars, M-A-R-Z Auctions. So you can look on Mars Auctions on Live Auctioneers and see all these great items. It's probably going to be listed beginning of December, which would put things probably December 14th or so, which would put it 1 month out from the actual auction date of January. And it'll be January 12th and 13th, 2024, next year. Cheers from Ed. Take care, everybody. Have some fun with toys.